Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Greg Hayden. We're going to go ahead and get ready to get started. I definitely want to respect those who are here early, and I want to make sure that we make sure you have a pad and pen ready to take some copious notes. So we're going to be sharing some powerful information, and I definitely want to make sure you get back with the person that invited you when we get at the end of this call, so you can definitely get all your questions answered. So let's go ahead on and get started, and we'll get started with our first thing. Tradeknology. I'm going to talk about the future of Forex. If you haven't heard of Forex, this is the future. Our company is bringing you the best presentation, the best company, the best education platform that can help you. Now, I must read this disclaimer first because we have to read this. I'm just going to read a portion of it. That Tradeknology Referral Compensation Program is an exciting opportunity that rewards members for the selling of Tradeknology products and service and for inviting others to do the same. Although the opportunity is appealing, individual results will vary depending on commitment levels, efforts, and sales skills of each member. That's also known as a IBO, independent business owner. So basically, in short, what we're saying to you guys is our company is fairly new. We don't like to make any income claims. So we definitely know that we have an opportunity that can change lives from the trading side of our education platform as well as from our IBO side. So we definitely don't want to make any incomes, but we do have a program that can definitely help you change your family dynamics. So let's go ahead and get started now that we've got all the legal stuff out of the way. Now, our mission here in Tradeknology is to provide you with the world's leading Forex education through our university community of traders. Many of our community of traders like myself and others are there to help you and to share with you the best way to become a better trader. Our vision is to empower over 1 million individuals worldwide with the knowledge and mentorship to become successful, independent Forex traders. That word there, independent, is the most powerful word in our whole presentation. It teaches you, and we teach you to become an independent trader so you can trade when you want and know how to trade. Now, this is our executive team. This is just a few members on our executive team. We have over 100 combined years experience as well. Dr. Manoa McClennan, he's our CEO. He's a multimillionaire. He's been trading for well over 10 years on Forex. He's a grandmaster trader as well as a trainer. Mr. Jorge, he's our COO. He's structural engineer. He's an 8-figure entrepreneur. Mr. Domingo as well, 20 years. Technology public. He's a multi-millionaire also. And you see the rest of the team, all our master distributors, Miss Anna, Miss Janice, Leanne Lennon, she's our executive of VP, Mr. Scott Brown, our customer experience VP, and Mr. Sonny Kim, our field sales VP. And Miss Sweet Nancy, she helps us keep all our communication things together when we're doing things on our events. So we have a powerful team. There are many more behind the scene, but this is just the core team that helps keep things going and help grow us to $1 billion brand. Now, who we are, we were officially founded in 2020. We're based out of Houston, Texas. We're world-class Forex educational platform that trains you and teaches you Forex and cryptocurrencies coming within this first part of the year also. We have the best compensation plan out there. I truly mean that, guys. I've been in this industry for over 17, 18 years, and I've been a part of various different network marketing companies also, and we have the best comp plan I've seen in a while. Our Forex Education Network company is one of the most best I've seen in this industry, and we're led by real master Forex traders. I mean, people who have traded 6-figure accounts, people who've been doing it for many years, who've taught other individuals to do it, and they're well on their way teaching us how to become great traders also. Now, these are the 5 things that we want to provide here in Tradeknology. We're going to give you a world-class education background where you're able to learn Forex, be a part of that for you and your family also. We're going to give you the ability to work from home. Everyone wants to have the opportunity to truly work from home. I mean, think about this last year of 2020 with this pandemic and all the things that were going on. Many people were forced to work from home, but some were forced to work from home and didn't have income coming in. But with this particular platform, we're able to provide that for you. And we're going to pay you 7 different ways on our IBO side, and I'll explain that shortly. You also have the option to expand globally because we're already in many countries around the world, and you have the ability to build legacy for your family, something that you can leave for your family and teach them to do as well. Now, a lot of people don't understand that money is going digital. It's been digital forever. I mean, it's going even faster now. And US CNN Business says that the US has always been falling behind. Well, many of you have heard of Venmo, Robinhood, PayPal, as well as Cash App and Coinbase. We've all said we will never put our monies in these companies or deal with these companies. But hey, these companies are the way of the future. And money is digital, and you definitely want to get your footprint going in it right now. When you look at all the conditions of the world, it really provides a big opportunity for you to be a part of Tradeknology. Stock market stays in turmoil. You guys know it doesn't matter what year it is. There's always something going on. Millions of people are always unemployed. They're facing eviction. Government is always in gridlock. I mean, many small businesses have closed down through this last recent pandemic as well. Major brands have closed up. I mean, some of the most hundreds of locations of many brands have had to close their doors. And many individuals are right now looking for something else to do, or looking for a better solution. And I'm here to tell you, we have it right here in Tradeknology. Now, what is Forex? Many of you may not know what Forex is. Forex is also known as the foreign exchange. It is a decentralized global market where all the world currencies are being traded. For example, if we were to take a flight right now to Mexico or any other foreign country, we'd have to cash in our US dollars to whatever their currency is. And you know the exchange rate could be different when we go there as well as when we return. And that's how you can make your profit as well. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world, with an average daily trading value exceeding $6 trillion a day, guys. $6 trillion. You know, all the most world's combined stock markets don't even come close to this. So let me share with you exactly what this means and how it breaks down. When you look at the New York Stock Exchange, because many of you know, you've heard that, you've always heard New York Stock Exchange, that's 28 billion. I mean, the equities market is 191 billion. Futures market is 437.4 billion. When you add all those up, they don't even come close to the Forex market, which is a $6 trillion industry a day. 6 trillion, guys, a day. And the US dollar is involved in 90%. Yes, 90% of all the global Forex transaction. It's been stated that 20 million millionaires in the world would be millionaires by 2023 because of this market, this industry. You want to get your foot in this industry now. And you can see there's over 170 plus currency that's traded in the world each and every day. And so there's no way you don't want to miss out on this. Now, some people may say, well, how did this all come about? Well, there's two levels of the Forex market. The interbank market has always been there. Your large banks have always traded currency. When you go right now and get paid on Friday, if you get paid this particular Friday, you deposit your check in the bank, you think it's sitting in a beautiful gold vault. No, it's not. It immediately goes out there on the trade to be traded by banks, large insurance companies. If you go downtown right now, look at the tall, beautiful buildings with all the glass and the lights. I promise you guys, they are owned by many, many banks and many institutions that are trading currency. But there's also the OTC market, the new guy in town. It's the over-the-counter market where individuals like yourself and I, we can put our footprint in this with with our online platforms and various different brokers. We get a chance to play in this arena as well. And the benefits of it is it's a 24-hour market. There's high liquidity, which simply means that there's so much money transferring from hand to hand. There's a lot of money to be made. Transaction costs are very low. You can actually get a brokers and you can leverage your brokers and potential. You can profit from the potential rising as well as the falling of the currency. The accessibility to trading with small capital. You can put a trade in for sometimes as little as $10 with some brokers. And you can trade at your leisure when you want to trade. You're not forced to trade daily. Just trade whenever you feel comfortable. When you feel your skill set is ready, you're ready to go. And it's technological development and education. And we provide all that for you. I mean, you can make money from your cell phone, from home, from your computer, anywhere in the world. One of my business partners just texted a minute ago. He trades just to travel. I mean, he travels and trades wherever he goes. I mean, you can do this anywhere in the world, and you will be in business for yourself. But guys, you will not be in business by yourself. We'll be there every step of the way. Now, we want to empower you. We want to empower you to start trading independently. That's that word again that I really, really love. So we want to teach you how to buy and when to buy. We also want to teach you when and how to sell. And we're going to teach you when to stay away. When it's just not to do anything in the market and just let the market do what it do, and you can get started another day or so. Now, we have real Forex education. We have world-class education Forex master traders that have put this platform together in your back office. It looks just like that on that computer screen. Some of our courses start off with getting started, introduction to Forex, finding your trading styles, all the way down to risk management, course 6. You can jump on down to course number 9, trading strategies and 10 mistakes to avoid. And there's over 100 plus well done, put together videos to teach you these highlights of these courses so you can understand how these courses are laid out. Now, just to be a member, there are 2 membership packets for you to be able to get your hands on all this wonderful information and to start your journey here with Tradeknology, where you can benefit for yourself and your family. Our primary membership is $99 a month. You're going to get 24/7 access to your Tradeknology University, like I mentioned earlier, with many over 100 plus videos, daily Forex trade ideas, which simply means our company, our master traders, Dr. Manoy himself, be sending trade signals, trade ideas to your phone, just to give you some ideas where you can put in your demo account, as well as analyze and put in your live account. Access to members only events and training, daily, weekly live trainings, video with Vivid by Zoom. We do those each and every day throughout our monthly calendar posted in your back office. Then there's also a VIP membership. I mean, everybody wants to step it up and get this information and get it from the top. So a VIP membership is $199 a month. You're going to get everything that you receive above, but you can also get additional training from our VIP training zone with a master traders that trading 6-figure to 7-figure, 8-figure accounts, DC Eastman, some powerful, powerful traders around the world that's going to be teaching you as well. You get advanced trading tools, event discounts, as well as our Tradeknology store discounts. So you wearing our masks, our t-shirts, our hats, you're able to get discounts on that because you are VIP in our company. Now that's our educational platform side. But if you want to build the business and you want to see how I can structure my team, now you definitely want to become an IBO. And our IBO program says that you only have to pay an additional fee of $20. So you add that to your membership pack and you'll be able to participate and be eligible to receive commissions and bonuses and enroll in all IBO programs. You get paid 7 different ways on that side of our compensation plan. You can be eligible to participate in our travel incentive trips that we take with our company as well. You get your sales, your leadership, personal development training. You're going to get a duplicated website so you can definitely watch your team grow and be able to track all your business growth within your back office as an IBO of our company. Now, within the IBO, this is the compensation plan, because you all know as you learn how to trade, you can trade and go from zero to hero on that side. We can't control how much money you make as a trader, but this is our compensation plan structure on our independent business on the side, which simply says that if you want to become a business builder and you get your first 3 people, that's the rank I recommend for everybody to go for. Get your first 3 people, because when you get your first 3 members on your team, now your membership or your educational platform is pretty much paid for free. That's because you've hit the rank of Achiever 100. You get 3 primary members, company's going to give you $100. You get 3 VIP members, the company's going to pay you $200 a month. So that will pretty much cover your membership fee as a member in Tradeknology on your educational side. So now you're actually learning for free. Well, what happens when your team members and you share that with them and they decide, hey, I want to get my education for free too? Let's take that category where you see it says total members or primary. Let's just take that category for this training purpose alone. We're building a binary, so you have 2 teams you're building, one on the left, one on the right. So if you get a total of 6 team members on the left, on the right, does not mean you have to sponsor all 6. You simply have to personally sponsor 3. You see that in the first column there as well. Now, the company, once you have 6 and 6 and it equals 450 CV, company now says you've just been promoted to Influencer 500. Company's going to pay you $500 a month, $125 a week. I truly feel that $500 a month can change the dynamics of any household. But if you're learning to trade, how about taking some of that $500 possibly and help fund your live account when you're ready to start trading live? Well, we're not going to just stop there, because if you've got 6 team members, I'm quite sure some of them want to duplicate and do the same thing you've done. So let's go to the next rank, which is Mentor 1000. You see the proper numbers, 16 and 16. We're basically just using the primary account. $1,000 a month, $250 a week coming into your household each and every week, because you and your team continue to help other family members to teach and learn how to trade Forex, as well as to bring members on that want to build an IBO side also. Now, we just went over Achiever. Achiever 100 simply refers 3 customers, 3 reps. Tradeknology is you'll earn $100 a month or even $200 a month, which will pretty much cover your monthly fee based on whatever rank you are within the company. Also, to hit the influencer again, Influencer 500, you earn $500 a month, $125 a week. All you have to do is continue to generate at least 450 in referral Tradeknology CV on your left and right business channel in your calendar month. Now, that simply means you got probably about 10 to 12 people on your team, but you didn't personally sponsor all 10 to 12. You may have sponsored at least 3, but your other team members brought them in, so they count for you as well. And this is the rank everybody should be shooting for, Mentor 1000. I mean, once you hit Mentor 1000, you're being paid $250 a week. That's $1,000 a month. That's about 24 to 31 people on your team. You still have to maintain that 450 CV in your personal genealogy with a total of 1,200 based on your team CV. And it's really simple. Don't let it confuse you. Now just know to continue to help others, then it's going to benefit and bless you as well. Then we have our customer referral bonus program, which also says that if you just have regular customers, someone may say, hey, I don't really want to do the IBO side of the business. I don't want to deal with that right now. And they just want to do the educational platform. Well, the company's going to pay you $25 per month for a customer that's on a primary pack and $50 per month for a customer that's on a VIP pack. Now you can build a substantial amount of income from that. If you do the numbers right, let's say if you had 10 people that were VIPs, I mean, you can do the numbers. 10 times 50 is $500. You're well on your way to still making a great income just by having customers on your team also. Now, we also have our global travel because as an IBO and you're sharing with family members and friends, you know, we have trips that we're going to be taking. We haven't taken any great trips this year because of the pandemic and travel restrictions, but we're definitely looking for July of 2021 to do our first trip here in the United States before we start going out of the country. All expenses paid, award to all qualified members. That information will be in our back office real soon. So if you qualify for that, you'll be able to go on a trip that's paid for by the company. Then we have a car allowance. So if you're going to continue to keep building, and you will, and it may grow small, it may grow fast, but once you hit various ranks, the company says we're going to pay you $250 to $5,000 a month car allowance to qualified members. Can you imagine receiving $250 or $1,000 a month to help pay for a dream car or the car that you're riding in right now? That car note is paid for by the company because you continue to build your business and help as many people as possible. Then we have a lifestyle bonus, which triggers the same way. You continue to keep building your teams. You continue to keep helping as many people around the world. You hit various different ranks. You're going to receive a $10,000 to $500,000 one-time bonus paid out on rank advancement. Yes, that $500,000 is the top of the company. That's that rank where you're making $1 million a month. The company is going to pay you $500 one-time bonus payout if you hit the top rank of the company. This is powerful right here because you can change some of your family dynamics, take your family on a nice trip around the world, or just use the money to do the things you have a desire to do. Now, let me give you our proposed value because I really want you to understand what we offer for you here at Tradeknology. We're going to give you the benefit to have time freedom. Many individuals are tired of working. They're tired of going to these jobs. People missing time with their family, their children growing up. You're going to be able to experience having time freedom as you learn our skill set of learning Forex. You're going to get daily Forex trade ideas sent directly to your phone, which is signals that you can put in on your demo account or your live account. You can analyze those signals to see how great they are and use those as well while you're learning to pick your own trades out each and every day. Then you're going to be able to create family legacy. You have the opportunity to be able to create something for you and your family that no one can take away from you. This is not motion, potions, and lotions. This is a skill set that no one can take from you. We have a world-class back office where it's so user-friendly, anybody can do it. And believe me, it's just like going to Harvard where you can log into it, take a course at your leisure, sipping your coffee, your tea at your home or in your bed, and move on to the next class as well as on to the live training. Now, our experienced corporate team is documented members who are well diverse and master trader skills, as well as in traditional business. They've taken companies to $1 billion brand. So that's going to help us on the IBO side to make sure we're able to provide the right tool set, the right company to help people build a huge organization also. Then we have our weekly live training where we're doing live training with many of our master traders that's answering your questions right there on Zoom, making sure you understand your course topics and being able to keep you moving forward and learning what you have within Tradeknology. Now that's a proposed value where some people say for that rate, you can't beat it. You want to get started now. As I mentioned, we get paid weekly. We have our Tradeknology Visa debit card that's accepted all around the world. Tradeknology has not missed a payment since we launched back in October. I'm excited to be a part of this wonderful company because I know great things are coming, not just for myself, but for many people that we touch around the world. Now, there are 3 kinds of individuals that take the opportunity to listen in on our calls. First person is someone who just want to learn how to trade. I just want to learn how to trade. I recommend you go ahead and pick a membership. A primary membership is $99. Our VIP is $199 and get started as soon as possible. But there's also the individual say, I want to learn how to trade and I don't want to leave no money on the table. So I want to become an IBO as well. So once you pick your membership, you click the little bottom box in the bottom, and you become a IBO as well for an additional $20. But there's that third person that may say, I'm just not interested. I'm not interested right now. Well, I want to thank you for your time, for jumping on our nightly Zoom. I mean, it's exciting to have you here, but I do recommend you get back with the person who invited you on, because they thought so much of you to want to share an opportunity with you that can help change the dynamics of yourself as well as your family. Now, remember, we provide all the training and support. So if you've never done the industry of network marketing or direct sales or want to build a huge team, we're here to help you. We do all your daily opportunities, meetings, just like the one tonight, where you just invite people to it. So it means I'm doing all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is invite and get people here. We do weekly leadership and business trainings. We have those going on throughout the week in various different cities. We got big events coming up here soon, here in Dallas as well on a Super Saturday. We have trade houses on Thursday nights here for the whole month in Dallas. We do real business. It's a real business opportunity, guys. I simply know that for a fact, because even though we launched in October, I've already received my 1099 for 2020 for this company, which lets me know we are a real legit business. We have rank and rewards. You're going to be able to hit different ranks and rewards to get paid also. And we have a duplicatable system, which means you can duplicate. If you've never done this industry before, we have a system in place that will help you and train you to build your business where you can be successful here within Tradeknology. Now, I truly recommend that you get back with the person who invited you so you can get signed up today. We do these calls Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. as well as Thursday night, 8 p.m. So I definitely want to invite you and a guest to come back this upcoming Thursday. So you'll be another one of our top leaders here. I don't know who it may be, but it will be a top leader in the company. We'll present this to you as well. And you don't want to miss out being a part of our wonderful company, Tradeknology. We have a huge event coming up here after Thursday night. We have one coming up Thursday night here in Dallas, our trade house. So if you're anywhere in the vicinity of Dallas, Texas, you definitely want to reach out to the person who invites you so you can get that information and come out, meet some of our top leaders in the area, and we show you some trading tips as well. And with that being said, guys, I'm excited. I'm so excited to be able to help any and everyone that want to learn this wonderful trade, this wonderful skill from Tradeknology. Get back with the person who invited you, and let's get you started real soon. Thank you so much. Have a blessed night, and we'll see you at the top, because the bottom is always too crowded.